Turn on mentions notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on mentions notifications on Threads. So once you go to your application, click on this icon, and here you can click on notifications, click on Threads and replace, and here guys you will find mentions, and you have off. So here you have from everyone, from people you follow. So to turn it on, you have to choose between those two. So you have to choose mentions from everyone or from people you follow. And this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.